Hello miss, sorry that's very dark. I'm pointing it outside right now and di talaga makita outside because walang kuryente. Thunderstorm. Anyway, sorry that I can't do screen recording kasi nga we're not plugged in and it's still raining. So bali the game is or the MP is based on Wikipedia. So there's a theory around Wikipedia. Now you can basically find anything you want just by navigating through articles that are linked together. So for example here, let's say naka encyclopedia from the first page. Let's go American English. Let's see who we can find. Sure, let's say Middle English, and yeah. Basically, if we wanted to try to find something, we can just navigate through it through just clicking through article links. So bali, that's what I'm basing my game off. So here I have a server and a game. So right now they're in two separate folders. I'll move them out later just to prove that they're not interacting talaga based on file location lang. They're really sending data via sockets. So bali right now I'll just run it, then we can take a look. So muna first is the server. So bali, wait, server. Ayun, server active. Bali, it's ready to accept connections now. Wait, let me just try to focus. Ayun, server active. Tapos ito naman si client. Bali, there we go. Nabukas si client ng GUI. So basically, this is our GUI for the game. Meron siya, wait, where's my mouse? Mouse, where are you? Mouse. Wait lang. Okay, here. Sorry, there was sweat on my trackpad. Anyway, so bali, here's our GUI. So basically, we have where we first input our username. So let's say I want to put in test1. Pangalan niya ay si John. Tada! Okay. So bali, if I press play, magko-connect na siya sa server. So ayun, si client nag-message na. It's beginning the game. If it could focus. Ayun, nagbukas siya ng web browser. And right now, it opened, some random article on Wikipedia. And your job is to navigate to try and find the next thing, which is the prompt here, animal. So the prompt is generated from the server. So whenever a client connects, the server immediately gives it a random prompt. Then it tells it to start playing. So if it received the prompt to play, it will open this page na. It will open a random Wikipedia page. So yan, let's try to play nga. We have 60 seconds or 1 minute to find something. Afterwards, mag-screenshot siya and it'll pass the results to the server. Si server naman, determine niya kung... Wait lang, I should probably try to find something that resembles an animal. Bali si server, it'll try to determine if the screenshot nga ay meron animal. So hopefully this is confusing enough na magkaroon yung AI. Our AI naman is inside the server. It's Lava. So ayun. There we go. So this is the client pa. We just finished our game. So nag-screenshot siya and na-save niya dito. Bali ngayon, it passed it to the server. So let me just navigate to the server. So ito si server CMD niya. Right now, nakuha niya yung submission, which is file name test1.john JPEG. And it's processing. Yung response ng AI ay no, there's no animals. There's no animal, visible. So, score ni John ay 0 pa rin. Test1 John. And ayun, nag-start na ulit. So, bali, nag-repeat lang yung loop. And we can, the player can, again, find their next prompt na. So, let me open. Car yun. And since 0 nga yung score natin, na-receive, ayan, 0 pa rin. So, let me just try to find a car nga, if ever. Alabama. Kotse. Car. I don't think I'm that good at playing this game. Pero, let's see, car. King George, maybe he has a car. Car. No, maybe somewhere closer to Queen Elizabeth, modern day. Wala. Germany. Maybe something related to it. Germany. History, cars. Ayan. Bali, that's the last page we ended on, and it took a screenshot of it, and it's right now sending it to the server. So, unsurprisingly, score natin pa rin ay 0 since we didn't find the car. Let's try to get easier prompt na lang. Or if not, I'll just, what's this? I'll just start explaining the code. So, it takes some time then to process. Ayun na. Server.py, what happened? Where is it all the way at the bottom? Ayun, there. Find an animal. That's our new prompt. Let's see if it's easier. Ayun, doesn't look like it. So, bali, I'll start explaining na lang. So, let me just close this. Close. 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 Then I'll move it out so later we can see them. So, let's start with the server or C game. C client na lang muna. So, here we are. C client. Pag start niya. Wait. So, basically, we have an initializer. Pag nagkaroon ng initializer, we have, it creates a bunch of threads. One of the threads is for the game loop itself. Na pag i-open niya yung web browser, and it will try to find, it'll give you 60 seconds to find something. After that, it'll screenshot, send the results over to the server, and then wait for the server to respond. The other loop naman is for the socket listening naman. So here we have some flags. I think it'll be more visible if it wasn't so dark. Wait. Brightness nga. Let's go sacrifice the brightness. Goodbye battery. So anyways, we also have a pag delete then, so it cleans up. Create GUI. So our GUI is made by TK Inter. And then meron din tayo update score display, which again just updates the scores. See start. So our start is tied to the to the start button. So pag press natin, dyan siya magko-connect sa server. Otherwise, kahit pagbukas ng GUI pa lang, there's nothing in it. There's no connection yet. So yun, this is our connection. So ayun, we also have a listener loop. So this one is for listening to the server naman. This is its own thread. Ayun, I listed down what it does. So it listens for the server play message or protocol. Then it sends a respond. It listens for the server's chosen topic. And then it'll update the GUI. Kagaya kanina, it gave us car or what was other prompt. I'm not sure. Pero others. Then it disables this socket loop flag. It disables this loop temporarily habang gumagana si game. So at least di mag-conflict yung dalawa. And then this one naman is for the game loop itself. So then si game loop, again, it just opens the web browser via Selenium. Tapos, yan. It runs things and then it sends the image here. And then it gets the score back from the server. Tapos it'll update the GUI as well. Tapos, pag tapos ng game loop or this loop of running the game, sending the image, receiving the score, it will go back to the normal listening loop na. So ready na siya makinig ulit for play message. Ayun, here is just other stuff for send and get score. So yan, 300 lines of code. Next up, let's look at the server. Oh no, so bright. Server. Okay. Ito naman si server. Basically, we have shared namespaces between both. But these are just for the protocols, so I don't have to type it every time. And it's consistent. Ayun, we have some libraries. Here is the one for our AI. Ayun. Ollama. From Ollama, nag-import tayo. That uses L-Lava na. It's a model. Anyways, our server, it starts. When our server starts, it creates first the dictionary of the scores and the players or the clients that connected. Then it creates the server socket. Pagtapos yan ng create ng server socket, it'll start the loop na. So, pag may bagong nag-connect, it'll do an accept. And then it'll open a new thread using that connection or that socket. So then, bali, if that socket closes, well then at least the other connections won't be affected. Only the client connection for that specific case. And then here, it's the handle for connecting the clients. So then, the first thing it does, it's since the first thing that the user sends is actually their username. So in this thread, we just store the username so that we remember who's playing. And then we use that also as a basis for our scores and naming of the files that are sent and received. So then here, I'll just summarize the loop. So for the handle loop, again, it sends first the play protocol to the player. It waits for the response or acknowledgement. Tapos, it will randomize a topic, then send that, and it will wait for the image kuha ni player. Afterwards, it will stop receiving the image when it receives the end protocol sa dulo ng image. Then it will save the image, pass it to image scoring, tapos repeat lang this loop. So it will be ready to send the next play protocol to client. So then here, again, here's just a summary of what I just said, or rather the code of what I said. So yeah, send the player submission and other stuff. So here's for check image. See, check image, we added a delay, or what's this? It's similar to exponential back off, because see, like, we can't really have that many models running. Because see, this is just a laptop, and right now my battery is not looking good. Ayun, 30 na. Anyways, so ayun. Bali, whenever it detects that two threads are trying to activate the AI at the same time, it'll pause the other one, or it'll give them both what's this? It'll give them both a random a random back off period. So bali, they will have to wait for their turn to process it. Tapos ayun, this is the model itself. So it's just simple. You just give it a prompt, tapos siya na mag-aaral sa image, or siya na mag-analyze sa image. So in this case, we just asked it, is there a search item? Search item is the topic we chose. So car, person, animal, or whatever, building. So yeah, tapos yan, we just print the message, and the important thing we return here is kung nagkaroon ba ng yes in the message. Usually, the first answer is either yes or no lang. So at least we know it's consistent. So pag may yes yan, magpa +1 points na si that specific username. Ayun na. Wait. Saan na yun? +1. I'll open self.check image. Sino si get score? Sige, wait. I can't find it right now. Let's just proceed. Oh, that's already the end. Sige, I'll find it. Plus equals 1. Ayun. No, wait, no. Plus equals 1. Here, bottom. Ayun. So, bali, if self.check image, so if that returned the true, so there is the word yes in the response the AI gave, well then yes, that'll be a +1 score, and then we just print the scores just to double check, tapos send natin yung scores back to the client. Ayun lang. It's kind of simple lang and crude, but I just wanted to get the hang of these using what's this? I was planning to use my own model din, pero yeah. Ayun, this one is 200 lines of code lang. So wait, let me just set it up. So again, earlier I wanted to prove na this isn't just accessing through paths. So bali, right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the client folder, open a bunch of new folders, randomly name them. So here is one. Ayun, random name na. Gibberish. Ayun. Open it. Ayun, paste natin sa loob. Tada, so that's our new client. So dapat gumagana pa rin siya kasi we're not just linking images. We're just not linking paths. So here, CMD, prepare one for the client and then prepare one for the server ulit. So then let me just open one for the server. Server, ayun. CMD server. Okay, let's start first server. Py server.py. Small letters, I think. Okay, there. Bali, nag-start na si server ulit. This one is, as you can see, it's our random folder. And we have our client in it. So game.py. Okay, let's start. Dapat gumana. Okay, let's log in. Let's say dead. Tada. Ayun, our first prompt is color white, so this should be easy lang, but again, it's 60 seconds, so we have to wait lang. Meanwhile, I guess we could test din the other pagbukas ng other clients. So wait, let me just put this away. Client color white. Sige, let me open another client from here. Oh, CMD. Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot. It temporarily disables our keyboard, so there's no cheating. So basically, I can't type right now. So that was to prevent you from just opening up Wikipedia and then searching. So bali, yeah, I outsmarted myself. Anyways, let's wait for 60 seconds. And let's just try to showcase a color white. Let's see our score. Bali, blanco pa, kasi we're just a new connection. We haven't received the score's response yet. Color white. Ayun, nag-close na. So bali, tada, nag-update na rin. Except that thing is still in the center, so just ignore it. Bali, right now we're just waiting for scores. Our keyboard control is also back na right now. So again, open CMD lang. For a new client, we're gonna test. So dapat it should be able to handle multiple clients. Right now, I set the max limit to... Oh, sorry, wrong name. Game.py. Oh no, it opened again. Anyways, we have to wait for the keyboard. What's our prompt? Oh yeah, I forgot to check our score. Ayun, here. Bali, si Dead, ayun, nagkaroon na siya ng 1 point. Kasi again, kanina color white lang, and you can see this entire thing is indeed color white. So right now, prompt is car. Let's see if we can find something car related. New York Stock Exchange. No images of a car. Car. Sige, let's do articles. Something related to Ford or 7-Eleven. Sorry, 9-11 maybe? Ayun. Police car, let's see. Bali set this to full screen. Again, our prompt was car. Let's check if it'll work. Oh my god, it's already 16 minutes. Ayun, let's wait for the prompt. Ayun. That was our image. Nag-save siya. And then let's just verify nga. From inside... Wait, what's this? Oh yeah, we were gonna do verification. So from inside MP server, kung na-receive niya yung image. And yeah, ayun. The 911 car. Ayun. And nagkaroon siya ng ulit ng bagong window. Ayun. So right now we have score of 2. Kasi we got the car and we got the color white. Yay. So right now it's taking too long. Wait. Sige nga. Right now, basically we tested now. We proved that we proved that we proved that at least it's not file dependent or it's not path dependent. So we are indeed working through that. So bali, right now I'm gonna open up a new game.py. I'm gonna lower the timer so we don't have to wait. Wait. Duration. Search for duration. Let's set it to maybe 10 seconds. There. Okay, close this again. Bali, and then let's first open the server. Server cmd py.server server.py. Si client naman, again, cmd. Oh, 24% battery. So py game.server. So basically I'll open to game.py pala, sorry. Basically I'll open two right now para we can just test it simultaneously kahit nawala yung keyboard natin. Game.py or kahit 3 na lang, sige. But I set the max limit to 4. You can change it naman through the constants. Game.py. Okay. Let me just get rid of the ones that aren't the server. Okay, bali here. To our right is only the server, and to our left is everyone else. Let's call this user 1 or user 1. Call. User 2. Null. Wait, the third one. user 3 bill. Okay, let's start from 1 towards 3. Here's 1, here's 2, and wait, let me just get 3. Are you 3? No. But they're each opening their own windows na. Here, 3. Okay, bali, let's check the server. Bali, server accepted all the new clients. And then later we'll try disconnecting one to check kung ma-stop pa siya. Okay. Ayun. Some already, ayun. Bali, the first one to send was again user 1. So let me just check the messages. So si user 1, they were prompted to get the color white. So user 2, they were prompted to get, find the car, yeah. So user 3 naman, they were prompted to get color white as well. Ayun. And then it's processing each one of them. Ayun. Since first una si 1, ayun, we see that it's processing 1 while the others are told to wait. Then let's check kung ano yung next. Ayun, we have our AI prompt for 1. Yes, there is a color white. Tapos right now it's processing naman si user 3. So then yeah, tada, it works. So basically now we'll try to break our connections. So here is the first one. Rather it's a CMD. Because see, if we break it from there, it doesn't really work. So right now I am working with, who's this? I'm not sure, I should have placed the names. See, let's break one connection. Let's check, may nagbago ba? Ayun, here we have a message, Windows error, an existing connection was forcibly closed. So yeah, basically that also closed their connection. Because see, we have an error, we raised an error, and then we also handled it. So let me just go through closing the other ones. CMD, close, tsaka close. Tada. Bali, right now, there should be no clients. We just broke all the connections. So right now, it's still stuck in the processing. Let's just wait for it to finish and like attempt to contact the server ulit. Tapos it'll learn oh, there's no one there. Aha. I hope it doesn't take too long. 20%. Ayun. Wait, something changed. It's still queued. Sige, at least there's another error there, so it closed another connection. See, clients remaining are 1. Sige, I guess we'll end that for there because it's already 23 minutes and I'm very low on battery. See, thank you, miss.